Hello friends, welcome to Srey's tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn how to insert line chart in Excel. So in last two videos, we have already learned about column chart and pie chart. In today's video, we are going to learn about line chart. So to insert line chart, here I am using the data of the student's marks. So first I need to select the data. So to select the data, first I will select the names of the students. And along with the names of the students, here I have to select the total marks also. So how will you select the total marks? As you all know that to select the total marks here along with the names, I need to press and hold the control key and select the total marks of the students. So after selecting the names and the total marks, in insert tab, click on this insert tab. In insert tab, you have charts group. In charts group, we have the option called line chart. So just you need to click on this line chart. And here in this line chart, you have two different options, 2D line and 3D line. So here in 2D line, I'm selecting the first option. So as soon as you click on the first line chart option, you will see here the line chart will be inserted. Now, if you want to move this chart towards right or left or up or down, just you need to click on this blank area and drag it towards the right. So like this, you can click and drag your chart towards your right side wherever you want to place it. So after dragging, if you want to decrease or increase the size of this chart, just you need to click on the chart area, and from the corner just you need to drag it, so to decrease the size. If you want to increase the size, again click and drag it to increase the size of this chart area. Now you can see here in this chart, line chart, you can see the names of the students here and the marks of the students. So if you want to insert the marks of the students along with this line, so for that just you need to click and select the chart area, and here in this plus symbol, click on this plus symbol. So when you click on this plus symbol, you will find chart elements. In this chart elements, you need to click on this data labels. So as soon as you click on this data labels, you will find the values here along with this line. So friends, I hope it's clear how to insert the values along with this line. Right now, if you want to change the color of this line, so to change the color of this line, you need to select the chart area, click and select this chart area, and here in this design tab, you have the change color option. Just you need to click on this change colors option and choose the color of your choice. You can choose any color of your choice. So here I'm selecting this green color. So like this, select it and then change colors and choose the color of your choice. So just click on it. The color of this line will be changed. Now here if you want to change the color for these names, so just you need to right click on it, right click, select it, and then right click, you will find text options, format chart area and text. Here just right click, once again I will show you, select the names, right click and click on format axis. So when you click on this format axis, you will find here text options. Click on this text options and here solid fill, choose the color of your choice here, and then you can see the color will be applied to this text. Now if you want to increase the size of this text, so in home tab you have the option size, font size. So if you want to increase the size of these names, you can increase the size. So like this friends, you can insert line chart in Excel.